Good morning, everybody. So this is going to be kind of like my first impromptu or kind of like my Mod Podge or hodgepodge video because I'm going to show you the two things that I got from Zara that actually took forever to come. I ordered some stuff from End of the Stories on Monday and it hasn't even shipped yet. So I'm not sure what's going on with shipping, but everything is taking quite a long time. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack for my trip to Philly. On my mother's side, Mother's Day, since it is mostly women, that is kind of like our family reunion, and that's when we get together. 2019, of course, because of Corona, we were not able to get together. So this year, was it 2019? 2020? Anyway, the point is that we were not able to get together, so I am so excited. However, the weather is going to be like really sucky. I always look up the weather whenever I'm getting ready to pack. But let me go ahead and first show you the Zara things and then we'll get into packing. Okay, so the very first thing that I got was a pair of shoes, and y'all are gonna be like, really, Maya, another pair? But it is these right here. Yes, they do have pearls on them, but I bought them because they're white and I don't have a pair of white sandals in my wardrobe, and this will actually be my first pair. So it is these right here. It has the pearls right there. How cute are these? I did get a size 36, so we're going to try these on to make sure that they actually fit. Because like I was saying before, when it comes to Zara sizing, I'm either a 36, I have some that are 36 and a half, but then when I get them, they're actually a 37. So we're going to try these on. But I think that these will go perfectly with just about all of my white dresses for spring and summer. So let's go ahead and try these on. So here we have the front of the shoes. Yes, clearly my obsession for spring and summer is going to be pearls. And here is the side. I absolutely love the silhouette of these shoes, and they actually have a lot of padding. So I foresee these being very comfortable. And then, like I said before, I think these will go very beautifully with a lot of my white dresses. And then, you know, this is my first time actually having a pair of white shoes. I always thought that they looked quite unfinished, but just the way that they're making them now, they're making them very pretty. Okay, and the last thing is kind of like this maxi silky dress shirt, or kind of like a shirt dress. I bought this because I was planning to wear it on Mother's Day just to kind of be, you know, like a little bit over the top with my maxi shirt with the tropical print. But it's going to be cold, so probably I will probably just be extra in the hotel. I'm still bringing this. I'll just wear it lounging around the hotel. So it is this right here, and again, I bought it because of the print. If y'all have seen my previous videos, I am trying to reintroduce color and prints into my wardrobe, and we are going to not necessarily start with this, but we're going to continue with this. So I love this. The print is absolutely gorgeous. It is long sleeve, and it does have the print coming all the way down, and the exact same thing on the back. And then right here you can see that it's the pink on the top and then the white on the bottom, and then it does go all the way down like I said, and then it does have like little silver buttons. The exact same thing right here, and it does also have a tie. So I'm assuming that you can either wear this open or you can wear it closed. Of course, I was going to wear it open, and then I was just going to have kind of like a shell of a dress. So let's go ahead and try this on. Okay, so already as I just put this on, I am absolutely loving this. This is like a combination of so many things. It encompasses my style. I love the print. It's over the top, but so casual at the same time. And then I just noticed a couple of things. Y'all see that I have a head wrap on, but I actually bought a whole bunch of them from Amazon. That's coming in another video, but let me show you something. So this color will actually fit perfectly. This is a head wrap with this right here with the pink. It will incorporate that so beautifully, and then y'all should know what's getting ready to come. A pair of statements. They're from J. Crew, of course. Y'all have seen them before with these. So I'm thinking that with these and this head wrap and this little shirt dress, I'm thinking that's a look. I think that will actually go over really beautifully in a photo. But that's what I'm thinking. Over the top, comfy, chic at the same time, but yet somewhat simple. So let me back up and give you the full effect. Now I do have on kind of like a tissue dress or like a bodycon dress. I wouldn't wear this color, but I have it on so you can focus on this right here. And then once I show it to you open, I will close it and then show it to you like that. Also, I don't want to flash y'all, so. now it's time for the packing portion. So like I said before, as far as my mother's side is concerned of her family, they are all based in Philly. So my mother and I travel up there every single Mother's Day. And it's kind of like a reunion. We eat, we laugh, we play games. We are Jamaican, so we are loud, and there's a whole bunch of Bob Marley going on. And because it is Mother's Day, I always get her the exact same gift every single day. So I went out after I got off work and I got her a gift card to Lowe's for $100. And then I also got her a gift card to Home Depot for $100. And then here's her card that I got from Target. And then I got some lotion and some toiletries that I needed. That is what she wants, so that is what I get her. At both stores, she is known as the Flower Lady. She absolutely loves flour. She and my grandmother have a green thumb, and clearly that's where she gets it from. So, as far as packing is concerned, I like to keep it very straightforward and very easy. Now, if we're talking about like a vacation, you can be over the top. If you're talking about New York Fashion Week, I would probably have about 2 suitcases. But because it's just a weekend and it's going to be a very casual weekend, whenever it comes to that, I like to pack in color schemes. Now, prior to me looking at the weather this morning, I had my color scheme picked out. It was going to be blue and yellow because y'all remember that ASOS dress, that beautiful ASOS yellow dress. It was kind of like a waffle pattern. And then several months ago, y'all saw me get my Costarello's blue dress taken in and tailored. I was going to wear those two. And then I was going to actually wear the tropical maxi dress that I just showed you. And those would have been my outfits. But because tomorrow is going to be literally 55, the next day is going to be 60, and then back when we're traveling home again, it's going to be 55, and it's going to be raining. So I've decided to keep it all within neutrals. I'm going to be wearing gray, and I'm going to be wearing camel. So the very first outfit, and y'all have seen all of these before, it's going to be the exact same outfit, but in different color. Y'all know that whenever I love something, I buy it in different colors. So it is going to be this turtleneck right here from Aritzia. You have your dolman sleeve, and it is cropped. And then I'm just going to pair it with, these are going to be all monochrome looks, keep it simple and easy, and I'll do a little statement earring. And then I have my sweater dress or my sweater skirt like this. That's the first outfit. And then I'm going to have my head wrap. Y'all have seen these before. And then it's going to be these earrings by J. Crew. Let me turn this down a little bit so you can see. By J. Crew. Okay, that's going to be the first outfit. And then literally I will be wearing boots. They're the only boots that I would wear in the rain because they were $50. They were from DSW. And I have had these, I would probably say, since 2014. And it's just these right here. I will be wearing these all weekend. Socks, I do have 2 pair, and they're both actually David's. I did steal these. I've had these for a while, but I stole these just for my boots, okay? So that's the first outfit. Second outfit is going to be the exact same thing, literally. Simple and easy. It's going to be with this head wrap. Like I just showed you, it's going to be this sweater. It's from Aritzia with the dolman sleeve, and then you have your tie, and then you have your crop. And then you're going to do the matching sweater or the matching sweater skirt, just like this. Again, it's going to be this head wrap, and then it is going to be these earrings by J. Crew. Looks like this. They kind of remind me of a dream catcher, like from Native, like the Native Americans have, like that. And then it's going to be boots. Now, to keep it simple, we're going to be using this purse right here. We're not going to be changing purses. Again, simple and easy. That is what I'm going to be wearing. And then to travel up, which is tomorrow, I will probably wear, where is it? This dress right here. Y'all have seen this one before. This is actually from Forever 21. So this is, oh gosh, let's see, high school, no, college. So this is 2012. Wow, this is really old and it still fits. But yeah, it's going to be this, again, with those same black boots like this. And because we're doing black, I'm also going to have a head wrap on. So probably it's going to be this head wrap. This one right here, like this. So I will probably have on these earrings. Yep, these right here. Again, J. Crew. Like this. Yep. So that is going to be my traveling outfit. So I now know all of my outfits, and I don't know about you, but when it comes to traveling, I have to make a list. So the first thing that I do is I check the weather because, like I said, I have my color scheme in mind and I also have my outfits in mind, but you always want to make sure you check the weather. I did that once when I was traveling and I was cold the entire time. I will never make that mistake again. So the very first thing that I do is check the weather, see what's going to be happening. Is it going to be raining? Is it going to be cold? Is it going to be sunny, but it's going to be cold? And then you figure out your color scheme. That way you're not picking out so many different outfits. Like if you're going away for 3 or 2 days, you should not have 7 pair of shoes and 10 outfits. Learn how to streamline. So like I just said, since it's going to be rainy, it's going to be cool, I'm going to stick with my neutrals and I am literally bringing 1 pair of shoes. Okay? So here is my list right here. It says packing list. So on the front, I have everything that I will need. So for instance, it says bobby pins, hair tie for bun, bonnet. It says hair wrap, hair lotion, PJs, face wash. Everything that I need, because I will forget stuff. I am forgetful when it comes to that. My short-term memory is terrible. Story for another time. But then on the back, I actually break down my outfits. So right here, I have Saturday, then I have Sunday, then I have Monday. And then on Saturday, I have my travel outfit, I have my change of clothes, and then I have my PJs. And then on And then on Sunday, I have my outfit, and then I have PJs. And then on Monday, I have my travel outfit, and that's going to be it. And then every single one of these, except of course the PJs, I am going to actually write down what I am taking. So for instance, tomorrow, my travel outfit is going to be dress, boots, and then I'm going to list what type of earring, and then a change of clothes, which I just decided when I get to my cousin's house, I'm going to change into that maxi dress that I just showed y'all. It's going to be this one. It's going to be this right here. And then what I'm going to do, being extra, don't care, I'm going to actually take those earrings that I showed you, and I'm going to take that head wrap, and I'm going to change because I want to be comfortable and extra at the same time. And then it's going to follow suit for the rest of them. On Sunday, my outfit, I will write down what it is, the earring and the head wrap and the shoes. The exact same thing for Monday when it comes to the travel outfit. Dress, head wrap, jewelry. For me, that just makes it so much easier because then that way when I'm finished packing, I will fold this up and then I will slide it into my suitcase. And then when it's time for me to pack, I can just check off my list. And that's basically how I pack. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pack. First, I have the skirt. And then I have the skirt for the second outfit. And now I have the sweater for the first outfit. And the sweater for the second outfit. And here are the earrings. So I typically like to keep my earrings all together and I like to keep them packed in a pouch. What I have actually been looking into, and everything is on Pinterest, is actually like one of those portable jewelry holders where they have like their own sections. More than likely it'll be pink or it'll be gray. And then there's the head wrap for the first outfit. And then I have on the second head wrap, so I will take that off when I'm done with this and put it in there. Then I have the 2 pair of socks. And then I have my nightie. And then I have a second pair of pajamas. And then that's the shirt dress that I just showed y'all. And then I'm going to, well, not show you, but here is my Mother's Day gift. I have forgotten it before, but here again, that's why I make lists, because I forget things. So I have to make sure to pack that. So on this side is going to be all of my toiletries. Now, since I have not been traveling, I don't have any of the travel size. So I'm going to be taking the actual sizes, like the normal sizes of what I normally carry. And since y'all know I don't pay attention, I actually realized after filming the video that I had to switch the sides. So here is my list. I am going to fold it up I am going to put it in my pouch, and then I'm also going to put a pen in there. That way, when it's time for me to come back, I can actually cross things off and I can make sure that I have everything.
All right, you guys, so I am packed. It is about 7:30. I am going to head over to my mother's house, and then we are going to be off to Philly. We will be driving all day, so I wanted to be comfortable. But like I said, the weather in Philly is about 30 degrees chillier than it is here in Charlotte. So before I go, I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. And then, you know, on YouTube, I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And then, of course, you know, right here, I'll put my Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.